Welcome back, guys, to Crazy Hobbies Down Under. So on this episode, we'll be checking out these little rock crawlers from Horizon Hobby, the all new Axial Scx24 Deadbolt. It's a ready to run mini rock crawler. Everything's included, guys, including battery and charger, and they retail for just under $200. They'll come in two colors. They'll come in a red and they'll come in a green. Guys at home, if you do have a rock crawler, we'd highly recommend adding this to the collection. And also, if you're holding any events or parties or functions, we'd highly recommend getting a couple of these or a few of these and zipping around. You'll have awesome fun. So the Axial Scx24, let's quickly unwrap it, see what we get inside, and quickly go over the car. Regarding the car, guys, the car will just retail for under 200 bucks. And the cool thing is, if you do end up breaking it, or if you need any replacement parts, pretty much all the parts are available. So pop down to your local hobby shop and request the parts if they haven't got them in stock. They're really easy to acquire. Just on the length, they're about 20 centimeters long, and on the width, they're about 7.5. So regarding what you get in the box, you will get the 2S LiPo, 350 milliamp. They are quite thin. It's your normal balance plug on there, and Axial are using that little pin connector. Now the cool thing is, you can buy spare batteries. Partner on them is DYNB 0012, and they retail for roughly around $19. The batteries will last you guys around anywhere between 20 to 30 minutes. We wouldn't recommend putting anything higher in there, because once you put a higher milliamp in there, the motor will go for longer and you'll burn it out. The charger, they'll give you a basic USB charger. You just plug the balance port straight into there and then just wait for the lights. You will get your AA's for the controller, which are included. Let's quickly check out the car. So you've got two body clips here at the front. Pop them off. And the back will just open up. You'll have a latch on the back, which is connected to the car and connected to the body. And the cool thing about that is the body will stay connected to the car and only using two body clips. So you will get two standard LEDs in there from factory. You got your servo at the front here. Just quickly zoom up. You'll have your servo at the front. You'll have your electronic speed controller also at the front here. Your battery will just sit in the middle of the car. And then you'll have your motor just on the side here. It's quite a small motor and it's an 88 turn. And there's your latch.